Hey guys, welcome back. So in today's episode, we're gonna go over something I'm very excited about. I just got a brand new chef's knife. So actually, you know what I want you to do? I want you guys to see the B-roll when I got the package. Go ahead and run that. A lot of you have chef's knives, okay? This one's a little IKEA one. It's 20 bucks. This is actually my favorite knife so far. I also got a little nice Miyabi, okay? This guy was a Christmas present, super sharp, but I don't really take care of it. And then of course, you have your Cathlons at like Ross that are pretty good knives for what they are. They have a really weak metal. This video, I'm gonna do a nice little review of my first impressions of my new knife. Can you guys guess what it is? Okay, so this right here is my new knife. So this knife is made by Con Knives, okay? So I'll put a link down in the description, you guys, so you guys can go ahead and see what these are all about. But again, this guy's making really good quality knives. This knife is an 8-inch chef's knife. And the metal that's used is a hammered VG10 blade with a G10 handle. Okay, this knife cost me about $139. All right, guys, so let's go ahead and open up this knife. It's got a pretty cool little box. Welcome to the Con Kitchen family, like that. Check this out. It's heavy, super heavy, but it feels good. You know, like I can trust it. Yeah, it's got VG10 core, 67 layers Damascus steel. Wonder how strong and sharp this is. This has got to be pretty sharp. So in this video, we're also going to do a little test with some cutting and slicing and just some normal everyday chopping that I would normally do, and then see if we can put it to the test and see how we like it. It's got a nice good handle. It's pretty weighted, you know, and it's pretty level, which is nice. And I can tell that that's going to be really good to use. So let's go ahead and do some slicing and see what this thing's all about. First things first, feels really nice. These dimples, you can actually feel them. They're actually pretty substantial. And what I really like about it is it looks like if I did slice something, it would kind of break free from it. And it's a nice, yeah, it's really cool. These lines right here, you guys, look at those things. It's pretty awesome. And it's razor sharp, I can already tell. We got a couple things here. We got cucumber, carrot that I peeled, a piece of zucchini, onion. So first impressions, let's just do a nice little, really nice and fine. Look at that, that's like paper thin, okay? It's pretty awesome. Let's do a nice piece of squash, and let's go ahead and just cut it on a flat side. The slice on it is actually pretty nice. Just the rocking sensation is actually pretty good. Feels really good in the hand. I'm actually pretty impressed. Let's try an onion, okay? So let's just do a little thin slice. Nice, little rocking action. Yeah, that's really nice. Just really sharp. Very nice. Look at that, paper thin, you guys. This is the carrot. Okay, let's see how this one goes. Let's see if we can do some julienne pieces. All right, let's try this now. We'll stack it up. Nice julienne. Awesome, look at that. Perfectly, well, don't worry about that one, but yeah, makes good little nice slices. It's nice. It's like butter. Look at that. So my first impressions of this knife is surprisingly pretty positive. I actually enjoy the knife a lot. I love the fact that it's heavy, and I like the fact that it's balanced. Okay, my other knife, it's not balanced at all. So that makes me work harder in the kitchen. This knife is gonna be probably my new favorite knife. Again, it's reasonably priced. I mean, it's got some really good, characteristics on it that I like. I like the black handle. I like the fact that you got the Damascus steel. Again, when it comes down to it, sometimes you can spend a little bit of money on knives. Sometimes you can spend a lot of money on knives. On the next episode, you're gonna see this knife. Con knives, you guys are killing it with these knives. These knives are awesome. That's it. That's the review of the Con knives. Until next time, you guys, see you on the next episode.